we at, guys?
We're gonna see Christmas lights.
We're gonna see Christmas lights. Look at it down there, man. We gonna see the lights. Let's see what this big line's all about.
Oh boy! Get it
Yeah, we cruising through. The guardhouse. Where's the guard at, man? Yeah, it's a nice mild evening. Came out to enjoy these Christmas lights. Red River Exhibition Park. Bison. Bison. Let's go take a picture in front of that Santa right there. Sounds good. The Santa. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, guys. Look at the bison. This bison's pooping presents out. He's like, 1, 2, 3, 4 presents. 4 presents from the bison. Ha, 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 ha. You brought them?
We have Joe, Fred, and then the Grinch.
Joe, Fred, and the Grinch came. All right, let's do it quick. Yay! Santa's like, hello! What's this guy doing? Is that like a clown and his friend or something? Oh, they're skating. They're skating. Hey, get back here! Look, it's Planet Hollywood. Planet Hollywood. Come and eat that Planet Hollywood. Oh, it's Peace on Earth. Thought that was Planet Hollywood. It's a caribou. Is that a reindeer?
What?
A reindeer? Is that a reindeer? Yeah, that is a reindeer. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. What do you think, little baby? Yeah, little baby, what you think? Look at that Christmas doggy. We on the scene, and we're about to check out the Yeti. The Yeti. Look at that long list. That's Sophia's Christmas list.
My Christmas list is only
It's just snowing on Frosty. Frosty's like, yes. Let it snow. Dragon, Christmas dragon in the house. And like some Christmas flamingos and a Christmas hippo coming out of a present. Bonk. Didn't you always want a hippo for Christmas? Here I am. And he's like, it's snowing on me. Look at those hand things they got. We need to get those. Those little puffs you put your hands in. We need those out here. He's like, yeehaw, caught me a cowboy. Dr. Seuss trees. I don't know what's up with those trees. Those trees look neat. Look at them wheels spinning. More Dr. Seuss trees.
Dr. Seuss, are you here?
There's a fire here. Well, why would there be a snowman beside a fire, man? He's gonna melt, bro. He's like, I'm gonna fart on the fire. Just farted on the fire, bro. It's dangerous, man. They didn't know they had stuff like that here. Is that a real dog right there? What is that? It's a bag of trash. I thought it was a dog. I thought that was a dog, bro. That's a bag of trash. right. Let's go check this out, guys. Wonderland photo stop. Whoa. Let's go check it out, B. Wow. Okay, sit there, take a picture. Look at me. What's up? What? Oh my goodness, what the heck is that?
Oh, someone put bloody hand stickers
Oh
there.
no, somebody put bloody hand stickers on the snowman thing?
Why did somebody put bloody hand stickers
Oh my
there?
goodness, somebody fell there. Great. The Christmas mystery. Check out some toys. Go for it. I don't know about them, bro. They're all smashed. Smashed all the candy canes, man. Ooh, that's where you drop your Santa letters in.
Yeah. Photo on Santa.
Hey, go for it. Okay, sit down, guys. Get your... Whoa, and a big bullseye. It's like, hey,
No paper.
what you got? What you writing down? Bro, you ain't writing nothing. You're not, slacking. I'm gonna call Boss Baby. I'm gonna call Boss Baby.
Pencil. Me too.
Look at that polar bear. Polar bear. Okay, put your face in the bear.
Look at the other ones too.
Look at this Santa one.
Woo!
All right. Oh, that big Santa chair.
Almost right there.
Where you guys fit Santa's chair? I'm gonna eat these guys. The sleigh, okay, hop in, let's do it.
The other side.
Look at these rocking horses.
Oh, we go on this one.
Can you get on that one? Oh, you're gonna freeze your butt on there, bro.
Are you sure?
Hop on, bro. I don't know, just don't trip. How you gonna get in there? You gonna go under? Okay, you go under. What's that pengu doing? The pengus. It's slippery. You okay? Oh, pretty sweet. We're on the ice rink. On the ice rink. What'd you guys think? Did you have a good time?
Oh, it's really good. Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah.
You like coming here?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to come here again?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'll come here every Christmas.
Yeah. Come here again. Check it out again. Yo, baby. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!